Buenos días amigos, es un gusto estar conversando con ustedes. En esta ocasión estamos en la ruta hacia el 23º Congreso Peruano de Geología que tendrá lugar en septiembre. Y tenemos el gusto, el placer de conversar con el doctor Harold Gibson, vicepresidente de exploración de VMS Mining Corporation y profesor emérito de vulcanología y yacimientos minerales en la Escuela de Ciencias de la Tierra Harquail de la Universidad Laurentian en Canadá, a la cual se incorporó en 1990 tras una exitosa trayectoria de 12 años en exploración. Él fue director del Centro de Investigación de Exploración Mineral de la Universidad de Laurentian y director científico y fundador del proyecto de investigación Metal Earth, dotado con $104 millones, la mayor iniciativa de investigación en exploración mineral de Canadá, financiada por múltiples universidades, la industria y el gobierno, y formó parte de varios equipos de descubrimiento de yacimientos VMS, aportando más de 40 años de experiencia en este tipo de yacimientos. Dr. Gibson cuenta con más de 100 publicaciones y ha recibido el premio William Harvey Gross y la medalla Duncan R. Derry de la División de Yacimientos Minerales de la Asociación Geológica de Canadá, la medalla conmemorativa Barlow y el premio conmemorativo Julian Boldy del Instituto Canadiense de Minería y Metalurgia y el premio a la excelencia en la investigación de la Universidad de Laurentian. Bien, durante el próximo Congreso Peruano de Geología, el Dr. Gibson va a disertar sobre las características y la exploración de los depósitos VMS, y de este tema es que vamos a tratar en la próxima conversación.
Muy bien, and buenas tardes.
Good afternoon, Dr. Gibson. It is an honor to speak with you regarding the upcoming Peruvian Geological Congress. Would you please give us a brief description of what is meant by a VMS deposit and what fascinates you about studying them?
VMS deposit stands for volcanogenic massive sulfide deposits. They have also been referred to as volcanic associated and volcanic hosted. VMS deposits are syngenetic, stratabound, and in part stratiform accumulations of sulfide minerals that formed at and or immediately below the seafloor. They are a product of a modified seawater dominated subseafloor magmatic hydrothermal system that formed in spatial, temporal, and genetic association with contemporaneous volcanism and magmatism. From an economic perspective, they are polymetallic base and precious metal deposits that offer metal diversity, and they often contain critical elements such as cobalt, indium, bismuth, and tellurium. They have a very small footprint. They have a low capex. They're typically underground operations, so out of sight, out of mind. They are geophysically responsive, that is, they're conductive, dense, and often magnetic. They occur in clusters, so if you find one, chances are there are others close by, and we have a very robust exploration model. So that's the definition. Why am I fascinated by it? Well, for several reasons. They form with their host rocks, so they provide a glimpse, a record of the geological tectonic environment at the time of the formation. And because they have formed over through geologic time, they provide a record of our Earth's evolution. Life on Earth, in fact, may have began to some individuals in ancient VMOR seafloor vent sites. They are associated with volcanism, and understanding subaqueous volcanic processes and deposits is a passion for me. Among the critical tools for the discovery is geological mapping to unravel the volcanology, stratigraphy, and structure of ancient successions. Again, another passion. Lastly, we have modern analogs to VMS deposits. These are the black smokers forming seafloor massive sulfides on the modern seafloor. I've been fortunate in my career to have had the opportunity to study VMS deposits that are actively forming and the process responsible for the formation on the seafloor.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Gibson, for these 4 or 5 reasons that you give us. Peru is a well-known country because of their porphyry systems, also for their underground veins, no, or disseminated systems like Yanacocha. But VMS deposits, I know something like Campo Grande, but maybe we don't know many of them. Please, would you please tell us about VMS deposits in Peru and what your contribution will be during the 23rd Peruvian Geological Congress?
Sure. Peru has two world-class VMS deposits, Cerro Lindo and Tambo Grande,
Okay.
and six other deposits, including Maria Teresa, which is a significant deposit that is being mined. All occur within the Cretaceous chasma group. But you have to remember that exploration for VMS deposits in Peru has not received the same level of systematic exploration has been afforded to porphyry, epithermal, and skarn CRD deposits. So there's still lots of potential. Based on host rocks and sequence stratigraphy, Peruvian VMS deposits fall into two types, bimodal mafic and politic mafic. Bimodal mafic are volcanic successions dominated by mafic lavas with rhyolitic or felsic centers. And typical deposits there would be Tambo Grande, Cerro Lindo, Maria Teresa. On the other hand, the politic mafic deposits form in argillaceous sedimentary rocks. And examples of those in Peru would be Palma and Perubar.
Now we are in the framework of the next Peruvian Geological Congress. We would like to know you to tell us about the VMS deposits in Peru, no? And what is going to be your contribution, your new insights of this kind of deposits during the 23rd Peruvian Geological Congress?
My presentation at the 23rd Peruvian Geological Congress will provide an introduction to VMS deposits, briefly review economic considerations, describe their characteristics and classification using global and Peruvian examples, discuss current advances in the VMS genetic model, including processes responsible for gold enrichment, and discuss exploration tools and methodologies. And I would like to thank the organizing committee of the 23rd Peruvian Geological Congress for inviting me to present at this meeting.
Oh, it's so kind of you. On the other hand, Dr. Gibson, do you think it is more potential in Peru to find new VMS deposits?
Yes, there is potential, absolutely.
Well, Mr. Gibson, so interesting. Would you please give us your last words?
I hope to see as many people as possible at the Congress, and I'm really looking forward to the questions you have. Thank you.